I will show you this simple kitchen mix that will help to stop your hair loss, hair fall, fill in your bald spot, and make hair grow super faster than ever before. And the three natural ingredients are coffee, cloves, and cinnamon are being used in a way most people have never tried. It's very easy and shocking effects. It's helping thousands grow stronger, thicker, longer hair without expensive products. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to make it, how to apply it, and why this remedy is changing the game for natural hair growth. Please, if you really want to get best results with this recipe, you need to pay close attention, okay? So that you understand every step I will share with you to get that best result with this recipe. Do not let down on this recipe. This recipe is indeed a game changer for you. If you can only pay attention and follow up the instruction I'll be giving to you, believe me, is a game changer for you, okay? So first thing I will do, I'll bring my cinnamon stick. Please, if you have the cinnamon powder, preferable, make use of your cinnamon powder. And I will advise you to buy a cinnamon stick and use your coffee blender to turn it into a powder form. In that way, you're 100% sure you're using 100% cinnamon, okay? So, but I'm using the cinnamon stick at this moment, okay? I'm just piecing my cinnamon stick into a very tiny pieces as possible as I can. So if you're using the cinnamon stick also, do the same thing the way I did, okay? You get best results. My second ingredient is coffee. Please use coffee that contains caffeine on it. You can use any coffee brand you have available, but make sure the coffee contain caffeine on it, because the caffeine in coffee is what helps us to grow our hair, help us to solve our hair problems, okay? So I'll also be making use of 1 tablespoon of my coffee. My third ingredient is cloves. Guys, these cloves work so amazing. Also, if you have the powder one, please make use of it. But if you have coffee blender or any dry meat blender, please blend these cloves into a powder form. Believe me, you get more best results, okay? So I'm making use of 1 tablespoon of my cloves. After putting them together, this is what I have so far. So next thing now we do now is pour in hot water. If you really want to get that best result for this product to release their nutrients very well, is to add it hot water. Do not add it cold water, okay? Pour in hot water on it, cover it up, keep it to infuse 12 hours or 24 hours, okay? After 12 hours or 24 hours, your recipe is ready to be used. Please do not boil it, okay? You can as well boil it, but if you are ready to get that 10 times faster hair growth, if you are ready for this recipe to grow your hair in a very short period of time, from 7 days, guys, do not boil it, okay? And if you are ready for this recipe to regrow your bald spots, your edges, sticking up your hair, don't boil it. Do the infused method and you'll be see a great result with this recipe. Please pay close attention and follow all the instructions I'll be giving to you in this video. You will thank me later. So once it's 24 hours, I leave mine to sit for 24 hours. Once it's 24 hours, I bring it out and use my bowl and my shifter to strain it to collect my tea spray. Now my tea spray is ready to be used. So the next step is how to apply this recipe to get that good result to solve those hair problems. Application is very, very important because it's how you use your recipe or how you use your products will determine how the product will work on your hair. It will also determine how faster you will see results with that product. Okay, so application process is very, very important. But before we dive into the application process, so let me quickly break down why this simple mist is waking up hair follicles and growing stronger hair faster than anything you have ever used before. First is coffee. Coffee is not just for waking you up in the morning. It wakes up your scalp too. Coffee boosts blood flow to your hair follicles, helps reduce shedding, and even strengthen weak hairs. So if your scalp is dull or inactivate, coffee helps bring it back to life. The next on my list is Cloves. Now this one is a game changer. Cloves are packed with antioxidants that fight hair thinning, reduce breakage, and help restore the healthy of your scalp. They are also has anti-inflammatory powers. So if your scalp is itching, irritating, Cloves calm it down and support new growth. The last but not the least is cinnamon. This spice is a powerful circulation booster. It increases blood, mostly your roots. That means faster growth, thicker strands, and a healthier scalp overall. Those three naturals work together like magic. Coffee stimulates hair growth, Cloves strengthens your hair, cinnamon activates faster hair growth. Is a natural toner that delivers results without chemicals or expensive products. I carefully select this for those that struggle with slow growth, hair breakage, and thinning hair. If you can be consistent with this recipe and use it the way I direct you, believe me, before end of this month, the result we got will shock you. So now let me tell you how to use this to get that best result, to activate that faster growth and to solve those your hair problems. Is using it as a leave-in tea spray. Yes, and while using it, please focus on your scalp, okay, and also those your problem areas. Don't wash it out. If you really want to get that best result before ending of this month, do not wash it out, okay? And after applying it on your hair, make sure you massage your scalp, follow up with your leave-in conditioner, and seal in with your hair oil. It's very, very important. Do not just apply it on your hair without following up this step. These steps are very, very important. Another secret I will tell you before you use this tea spray on your hair is to use it on a warm form. Do not use it in a cold form. Just warm it up a little bit and use it, okay? It will help a lot to open your hair follicles, and also it will help you to see that faster result, especially if your hair is low porosity. It will help you so much on that, okay? And also make sure you give yourself a scalp massage after using this tea spray. It's very, very important. And also please put your hair in a protected hairstyle, whether jumbo twins or jumbo braid, okay, with your own hair. Just use it consistent, okay? Before ending of this month, believe me, the result we got, you'll be mind blown, okay? And also you can use this 3 to 4 times in a week, okay, for that faster result. If you want faster result, please use it 3 to 4 times in a week, okay? Storage. This spray can last only about 7 days in your refrigerator. After that 7 days, please discard it and make a fresh batch, okay? I hope this video is very helpful to you, and I hope you will try this recipe and give me your feedback very soon, okay? So guys, please, if you are not joined this beautiful family, do wait to subscribe, like this video, and share this video so that it can get a whole lot of people and help them to solve their problems, okay? And please, once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all, okay, so that YouTube notify you whenever amazing video like this drop, okay? So guys, I've come to end of today's video. Let's continue this in comment section below. Let me know what you think. Have you used this recipe before on your hair? I would love to know, okay? And also, please let me know where you're watching me from, okay? I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed, dear. Bye.